Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? Notice anything? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, you should notice something different. Today's video is going to be all about how to be extra. So this is like for, you know, like finishing touches on your makeup when your makeup's already done. So like, I mean, you could go out like this. Like, I have my brows done, eyeshadow, I did a little wing liner, but you know, why not be extra? So if you want to see how to be extra, you can stay tuned. I'm also going to do a demo on how to apply false lashes. But first, you know what to do. Press it. Press it. You know you want to press it. Some people have pressed it. Press it. Press subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how I apply false lashes. So I have here, these are like my favorite lashes. These are Salon Perfect lashes. So it's like a Walmart brand, I think. And this is in the style 615, so 615. They're only like $8 and you get a 5-pack. So I also use this Duo brush on lash glue. So if you want to see, I did already put glue on here, but I'll just show you again. So you want to just take it and like brush it on the band. Now this dries clear, and I do already have some glue on here, so you want to just like get it on the band. I did already put mascara on my regular lashes, my natural lashes, so they'll be black like these lashes. Yeah, and I just got this little Tarte. I literally just got this at the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. It's like a lash applicator tool. So I'm gonna grab them, and I know this goes on this side because the shortest part of the lash goes on your inner corner. So it wouldn't be this part because the longest part goes on your outer corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this eye right here. Alright, so I just zoomed in just a little bit, so hopefully you guys can see this up close and personal. So I'm gonna close my eye. Messed up already. And then just kind of like set them on top of my lashes. So you really want to worry about where the front is. So that looks like it's pretty good. So then I just take the lash tool and press them together once you're happy like where the lash is seated. Oh gosh, I hope I wasn't covering the camera. Have you guys seen my other video, the lash fail video, where I tried the magnetic lashes? Oh my god, it was horrible. So you just kind of like pinch them together with your lashes. Great. That's good though that you guys can see. Everyone messes up. Alright. So hopefully, I hope you guys can see that. Might have to look at a playback. If not, I'll just film this eye too. So this is what it looks like here. So up close, obviously it looks crazy, but far away and in pictures, it looks very dramatic and extra. And that's what we're going for today. It's how to be extra. Okay, so yeah. Alright, they're definitely secure on here. Alright, so there we go. So we have applied lashes. So I'm just gonna like back up, zoom out, and I think to be even more extra, we can contour do a nice bold lip, maybe. Smoke out our bottom lash line. There's lots of ways to be extra, so be right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna actually highlight and contour, because that always, you know, adds theatrics to your look. So I do have a video on how to contour, which is literally all about contouring. So I have the quick version and I have like the full version, so you guys could check that out if you I'll put it in up here somewhere if you want to see how I contour, like the full contour routine. This is just like the finishing touches, so okay, so now I'm gonna bake. I actually love baking. This is the Milani translucent banana powder. So I'm gonna use this. Hopefully it doesn't flash back on me when I take pictures, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna bake under my eye, and that's good because I can then smoke out my bottom lash line, which we know I love to do. So I think I bake in like almost all my videos, so you could, if you want to see like how I really shake and bake, you can certainly see it on multiple videos. Some people apply baking powder, like, or setting powder, whatever, with a damp beauty blender. I just use like this flat foundation brush, which I don't know where I picked up that technique, but I just love it. And I also cut my contour with the same brush. This is how I get the real drag queen look. Or snatched look. No, not drag queen. This is how I get the real snatched look doing this here. I know it looks like I'm caking it on, but that's because I'm going out tonight. Girls' night out. I needed it. I've had a rough couple weeks. Okay. All right. I'm just taking a dark brown and smoking out my bottom lash line. Another dark brown, like more like a medium brown. I was gonna use black, but then I'm like, brown might be a little interesting, so. I'm gonna use this loose blush that I have. It's like a mauve-y kind of color. And I like the loose blush because it kind of also sets your makeup also. And it's matte. I just like, I don't know why, but I just live for matte blushes. Like, they're just life. Matte blushes are life. They're so like glamour. Really? Did I really just do that? They're so like glamorous. And I always dust off my setting powder with my blush brush because I feel like it kind of adds color into your face, you know? A little bit. And don't worry if you look cakey, because I'm the setting spray queen. And I always put like a facial spray on at the end, just to like make myself look nice and dewy. I have a like warm toned brown color, and I'm actually gonna take that and go over, it's similar to like a bronzer effect. Take that and go over my contour, and it just kind of like softens the contour a little bit. I love it. Alright, Now I'm gonna do highlight. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Beverly, that's my little sister's name. I'm gonna take this kit here and I'm going to use this color here. This is called White Sand. Okay, and I'm just gonna highlight with this. So when I highlight, I'm highlighting here, top of my cheekbones, and I kind of go down to the middle of my cheek. It kind of slims my face. I mean, my face is really chubby, so there's kind of no helping it, no saving it, but it kind of slims my face. So I do that there. Then I go above my eyebrow. So a lot of times I'll use a brush like this for my precision highlighting. This is actually a lip brush, but this one's the number 11 BH Cosmetics brush. So I'll take that same highlight and pack it on to a little brush. And then I'll put it right here. And then right here in the middle. And then right at the tip of my nose. Okay. Then I go on my Cupid's bow again. Right here and right here. And then inner corner of my eyes. So right here. So see this versus this. Just a little something, something. Just a little something, something. So yeah. Guys, I'm so sad. The video's almost over. Sad face. It cheers me up to do my makeup. That's funny. So what I'm going to do next is spray my setting spray. Well, this is a facial spray. It's the Mario Badescu Rose Spray, Rose Water. Anyone who knows me knows. This is my jam. And when you spray setting spray or any kind of like facial mist on top of highlight, it's gonna be poppin'. So this one is like, I just love it. It makes you nice and dewy. So I want even more. So yeah, which is good for me because I have dry skin. Okay. So now I'm gonna actually do this lip combo today, which I never do a dark lip. Anyone who knows me knows. I was gonna do a red lip with this and I was like, you know what? Let me try something different. So I'm actually gonna use my MAC lip liner. This is Bittersweet, but you could just use any brown lip liner. NYX has really good ones. I love the liquid suede liners. Those are awesome. And this is actually a NYX lip product. It's the liquid lingerie. Lip lingerie. Hold on. This is in the shade Beauty Mark, and it's the NYX lingerie liquid lipstick. So it's like a matte lipstick, and this is a dark brown. I don't usually do this, but I just posted a picture on Instagram, like when you're tired of being yourself. So hence the hair and makeup. Like I usually don't do this. So yeah. So I mean, to me it looks pretty. It looks really pretty. So. Alright, that's 2 layers. Just clean this up a little. Alright, I know you think it's over, but to truly be extra, you need that extra something. So this is my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. When I sprayed this on myself and went out, like, month before, I was like, my pictures were popping. Like the illuminating power is like insane. So I'm gonna spray it again tonight just so I can glow for the gods. So here we go. All right. So everyone, this is the final look in the how to be extra tutorial. So some tips for being extra: throw in a wig, contour, highlight, bold lip, throw on some lashes. This is also a little mini lash tutorial, how to apply lashes. Yeah, so you guys make sure that you leave a comment down below if you're gonna try any of these tips to be extra. Have a good week, have an awesome weekend, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. You know you want to subscribe, and I'm gonna have a giveaway at 1K. Bye.